Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring power and a clean connection. Make sure both earbuds and case are charged to at least 50% so the reset completes. Next, on your phone or iPod, turn Bluetooth on and temporarily forget the earbuds in Bluetooth settings to clear pairing records. Once done, keep the case open with earbuds inside and hold them near the host device. This establishes a stable proximity for the device to redetect them during the reset sequence. Now you execute the specific reset. Press and hold the earbuds' touch sensors or buttons for about 10 to 15 seconds, applying steady pressure. Watch the case LED or earbud indicators closely. You should see an amber flash, a short pause, then a white flashing light, which means the internal settings are clearing. Make sure not to open or close the case during this step, and do not release too early. Holding until the LED sequence completes is how the factory reset actually takes effect. Finish by repairing. Close the case, wait a few seconds, then reopen so the earbuds enter pairing mode. Select them from your device's Bluetooth list and confirm connection. Test playback and the microphone to verify stereo balance and call functionality. If pairing fails or you still hear issues, repeat the reset once more, check for firmware updates through the device app, and ensure no other nearby Bluetooth devices interfere. If problems persist, try resetting the host device's Bluetooth or contact support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.